Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to find percentage of result of any class. So you can use this formula. For example, someone obtained 340 marks, 340 marks and total marks is 500. So this one is total marks and someone got 340 marks, and if you want to percentage, so you can use this formula. Firstly, type number of marks which you achieved, you obtained. In my case, someone got 340 marks. Now multiply by 100. Now divide by total marks. So in our case, it's 500. So you can use this formula and calculation. So type which you achieved, marks, points or numbers, and multiply by 100, then divide by total marks. So result will be, in my case here, 68. Similarly, if someone got 430 marks and total marks is 600, so type here total marks. So this is the maximum marks number 600 and someone got 430. So now make calculation. You can use calculator. So type this similar way, 430 multiply by 100 and divide by total marks. So as we can see now, result is 71.66. So this is the result. And if you want to calculate manually without using any calculator, so you have to type in this way, type achieve number and multiply by 100, and here type total numbers. Now remove this both 0 here and here. Now divide 430 by 6. So result will be 71.66. So thanks for watching. You can use this formula to find percentage of result of any class. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.